Very less students are present today. Yes. Good afternoon to all of you. In previous lecture, what we have discussed? Okay, we have seen some torque equations and some torque and frequency relations we have seen in the previous lecture. Okay, so I mean what we can say here. Today we are going to see variable frequency control of induction motor drives. Variable frequency control of induction motor drives. Why we are going for the variable frequency control of induction motor drive? Okay, so this method can also be called as V by F. V by F method. Okay, V by F is equal to constant. V by F is equal to constant method. This method can also be called as variable voltage and variable frequency, or V by F is equal to constant method. So why we are going for the V by F is equal to constant method? Why we are going for the V by F is equal to constant method? Can anybody tell if the frequencies increases, then what about the torque? Can anyone tell, please? If the frequencies increases, then what about the torque? In previous lecture, we have discussed.
Decreases.
Torque is decreases. Okay, yes. We have seen in previous lecture, omega s is equal to k into omega b. Okay, we have seen in previous lecture, synchronous speed omega s is equal to k into omega b. Here omega is nothing but synchronous speed. Okay, and omega b is nothing but synchronous speed at the base frequency or base speed. Sorry, synchronous speed at the rated frequency or base frequency. So here we can write from this equation already we have discussed. Again, I will repeat to 5 to 10 minutes that same topic. K is equal to omega s upon by omega b. Just in 3 minutes, I will repeat same topic. Okay. So here K is equal to omega s upon by omega b. So here K is nothing but constant value, that is can also be called as a okay. K is also called as the per unit frequency. Okay, also we can write here. Next, in previous lecture we have solved one small example. If supply frequency f is equal to 50 hertz, f is equal to 50 hertz. Okay, f is equal to 50 hertz, and TMB is equal to TMB is nothing but maximum torque at base speed is equal to, for example, 100 Newton meter. Okay, if the motor frequency if the motor frequency is 75 hertz, if the motor frequency is 75 hertz, okay, then what will be the torque? Then what will be the torque? Okay, for this we have seen the previous lecture. Tm is equal to, we have derived the equation motor torque Tm by Tmb is equal to 1 by k square. Okay, Tm by Tmb is equal to 1 by k square. From this equation, what we can write here? Tm into k square is equal to Tmb. Tm into k square is equal to Tmb. So by using this relation, we can find out this one. Here we know the formula. Here we know the formula. K is equal to omega s upon by omega b, that is equal to f upon by f rated. Okay, so this omega is nothing but synchronous speed at given the frequency. Omega b is nothing but synchronous speed at rated frequency. Okay, okay, similarly we can say this is the base speed at the rated frequency. So that's why we can write here k is equal to f by f rated. Clear? So k is equal to f is equal to here, f rated is the rated frequency is the 50 hertz. Rated frequency is the 50 hertz. Okay, and operating frequency is 70 hertz, 75 hertz. So that is equal to 75 divided by 50. 75 divided by 50, that is equal to 1.1 kitna 5. K is equal to 1.5. So now we can easily find out torque. We can easily find out the torque. Okay, by using from this equation, Tm is equal to Tmb upon by k square. By using this relation, Tm is equal to Tmb upon by k square, that is equal to Tmb has given 100 Newton meters. Okay, 100 Newton meters, 100 divided by 1.5 whole square, that is equal to how much we got in that one? How much we got? 44.44. Is it right? 44.44 Newton meter. So the maximum torque is equal to 44.44 Newton meter. So what we can give the conclusion from this one? So if one motor is operating at the rated frequency, okay, if the motor is operating at the rated frequency, then the whatever the torque is developed by that motor, the torque is 100 Newton meters when the frequency is 50 hertz. Clear? And next, if the frequency is increased, okay, then what will be the torque? Torque is increases or decreases. For that purpose, we have derived the all these equations previous lecture also in this one also. Okay, so if the frequency is increased, from this all, by using all these relations, we can find out the maximum torque Tm is equal to Tm by k square, that is equal to 100 by 1.5 k square, that is equal to 44.44 Newton meter. So from this relation, by increasing the frequency from 50 Hertz to 75 Hertz, by increasing the frequency from 50 Hertz to 75 Hertz, the torque will be decreases. The torque will be decreases. The torque will be decreases. Clear? This one. Clear? So here V by F is equal to constant method. Why we are going for that? V by F is equal to constant method. Variable frequency control of induction motor drive, synchronous state. Okay. So therefore, the motor speed can be controlled by using the variable supply frequency. Clear? Voltage induced in the stator is proportional to the product of the supply frequency and the air gap flux. The stator drop is neglected, then the terminal voltage can be considered proportional to the product of the frequency and flux. So we know the formula, means what we can say here. Here V is equal to, we know the formula, 4.44 F into flux into, okay, F into flux into number of terms. Okay, that is the N we can write, or T we can write. Okay, so 4.44 F into 5 into T. So here what we can say, the terminal voltage can be considered, the terminal voltage can be considered, okay, proportional to the, this terminal voltage is proportional to the product of the frequency and flux, product of the frequency and flux. This one. Clear? So here from using this relation, if the frequencies decreases, what we can write here, V by phi is equal to 4.44 F into T. If the frequencies decreases, the flux is increases. Okay, the flux is increases, and frequencies increases, the flux will be decreases. The flux will be decreases. These are the two methods we have discussed in previous one. So, but why we are going for the V by F is equal to constant method here? So here we can take the one graph here. We can take the one graph. We can take the speed torque characteristics. We can take the speed torque characteristics. So here, this is the torque. This is the speed. X axis में क्या लिए? On X axis we have taken the speed, maybe RPM or RPS or radians per second. And Y axis we have taken the torque. Clear? So this is the speed torque characteristics when voltage V1 and F1, frequency F1. Okay, when voltage is at value, for example, some X value, whatever the magnitude of this voltage. Okay, So voltage is at x value and frequency is also to x value or y value, whatever. Clear? For example, 200 volts, 200 volts. For example, this is the 50 hertz. This is the 50 hertz. Whatever, take the some one values. Okay, V1 and F1 we have taken. Now what we are doing here? What we are doing here? Now I'm keeping the voltage is same. Now I'm keeping the voltage is same. That is V1 is equal to 200 volts. So same voltage V1 is equal to 200. V1 is equal to 200 volts. Now I am increasing the frequency. Now I am increasing the frequency. F1 is increases. Okay, F1 is increases from 50 hertz to 70 hertz. From 50 hertz to, for example, 75 or 100 hertz, whatever, take one value. Okay. Now initially we have taken the 200 volts and 50 hertz. Now I'm not changing anything. Voltage is constant as it is 200 volts, 200 volts. Okay, means voltage is given same value, and but the frequencies changes. Now I'm increasing the frequency from 50 hertz to the 75 hertz. Okay, that is F1 is changes from F1 to F2. F1 is changes from F1 to F2. Clear? Next, what will happen here? If the frequency is increased, then what about the torque? Torque is increases or decreases? Already we have seen the previous case. Torque increase होता है कि decrease होता है? Torque increase होता है कि decrease होता है? Decreases. Okay, for that purpose I have repeated this topic again. Clear? So if the frequency is increases, the magnitude of the torque is decreases. The magnitude of the torque is decreases like this. Just wait. Clear? Like this. Okay, so the magnitude of this torque is decreases from this value to this value. So this is graph at V1 F2. V1 F2. Clear? But the still is the speed is increases even though by decreasing the frequency, the speed is increases. Clear? Next. Now in third case, what I am doing here, now V1 is changing. Okay, V voltage is increases 200 volts to, for example, 300 volts. Example I am saying. Okay, so this V voltage is changes from V1 to V2. Okay, whatever the voltage is changes, that voltage is considered as a V2. Now the frequency is same. Now the frequency is same. We are keeping the frequency at the second frequency, F2. We are keeping the frequency at the second, that is the 75 hertz. That is the 75 hertz. Clear? So what will happen here? The voltage is increases. So voltage is increases nothing but again the torque is going to be increases. Again the torque is going to be increased like this. some amount of the magnitude of the torque is going to increases. Clear? Like this. This graph is V2 comma F2. This graph is V2 comma F2. Okay, so this is the graph 1. This is the graph 1. And this is the graph 2. कौन सा second graph, and this is the third graph. Clear? So from this graph, what we can say here, if voltage is increases and frequency is not changes, then it will operate at one magnitude of the torque. Okay, if the frequency is increases and voltage is not changes, then it will be operate at one another magnitude of the torque. Means the torque is not going to be maintained the constant here. Okay, here what we can say from this concept, the torque is not going to be a constant. The torque is not going to be constant. Okay, in order to make the constant torque, we are going for the method. V by F is equal to V by F is equal to constant method. Constant torque लेके आने के लिए in order to get the constant torque, okay, okay, so for getting the or for operating at the constant torque up to base speed, so we are going for the V by F is equal to constant method. V by F is equal to constant method. Clear? And one more thing is see here. Why we are saying only up to base speed we can maintain the maximum torque or constant torque, because okay, this graph we have shown here. ये graph अपन discussion किया था. V by F is equal to, we know the formula. Okay, so from these relations, K is equal to F by F rated So what we can draw the graph. Just wait. Okay, so from previous case, also we can draw the graph. Next, this is the K is equal to 1. This is the K is equal to 1. We are taking the K value on the x-axis, and we are taking the torque on the y-axis. If K is equal to 1, and next, Next. Like this. So what we can say here? So if k is equal to 1, if k is equal to 1, okay, so rated frequency is equal to